Hello everyone, welcome back, and just a quick little video here, and that is for you, the Pimax users, because PimaxPlay 2.0 open beta just released yesterday, and here you can see it. So PimaxPlay version 2.0.0, and it's now in the public test channel. It's the open beta. So how do you opt into that? Go into your normal PimaxPlay, go to settings, and then enable public test channel. And then it will update, and it will install the latest PimaxPlay 2.0. So what has been improved and what is new? An updated client with brand new UI design, improving visuals, interaction, and overall navigation. Introduce the new Pimax Home, so what you see in the headset when you're not in the sim, but your home screen, that's a new one. Added a QR code login via Pimax app, requires version 2.0 or later. Added OpenXR API layer support for easier management of third-party APIs. And I will show that to you in a minute once we go into PimaxPlay. Added headset rebinding feature, enabling users to bind to a different account. Added ability to pin games in library for quick access. Added quick access to customer support. Added system UI, status indicator, smart smoothing, foveated rendering. Added system UI curved mode. Controller sleep settings for lighthouse tracking mode. Improved tracking, height anomaly handling, and optimized re-login flow. Well, several bug fixes to improve overall system stability. And then you get the firmware updates for the Dream Air, for the Crystal Lite, and also for the Crystal Super. And they also added support for the Crystal Super Lighthouse faceplate. And then compatibility for the 5K Super, 8KX, and the Crystal Series and Dream Air headsets. And then this version will be rolled out to public beta users over the next 2 weeks, but you can get it already now. So let's dive into PimaxPlay. All right, here we got PimaxPlay, and let me just lower this one a little bit. There we go. So here in PimaxPlay, and let me show it to you. So once you come in here, first in your normal PimaxPlay, you go to your public test channel, switch it on, it will update. Now from here, we are going to the Pimax Crystal Super. That's the one I have attached right now to my PC. And then from here, this all looks the same as in the old PimaxPlay. We go into device settings, and now you can see that everything is set here in one window, and this window opens in PimaxPlay itself, so you don't have two separate windows to work from. So you can see the headset firmware. You can check for updates. I got the latest one, the 1.0.14 for the 57 ppd QLED. That's the optical engine. Here you can set your controller settings, vibration adjustments, and calibrate your controllers. Location setting. So the tracking is inside out. Indoor lighting is 50 Hz here. Safety zone, I don't do that because I am just sitting at my desk. You can here easily set the IPD adjustment. Now, if you do this, you can set here your IPD. This is a lot easier to do than with the old PimaxPlay. Eye tracking, you can switch it on here. I have it off because I don't use the eye tracking. But I'll come to that in a minute. You can calibrate it here, and wear position reminder, sound settings, default headset audio output device, brightness. You can easily set the brightness now here with the same kind of sliders. 90, 72 Hz or 72 Hz upscaled. You can choose that one here, and even the light bar in front of the headset, you can choose the color here. And it's a lot easier than what it was in the old PimaxPlay. Now, There also are some advanced settings. And for the advanced settings, we have to scroll up a little bit. So here we got the recline mode and the motion compensation. And then we got the simulate index controller and controller free mode. And that are the advanced options. Now, if we go to general, and we got the advanced option settings, we keep that one enabled. So the OpenXR runtime, I have just the standard Pimax OpenXR. That's what I'm using. And here's the OpenXR API layers. Now, if we click here on the arrow, you can see got the OpenXR toolkit installed, got Open Kneeboard installed, and here's the OpenXR API layer. Provide output for OBS. So that is my OBS recording API layer. And you can switch them on or off in here. So home environment, I have that always off because I don't want to see the different home screens in the headset. I just want to see the stars and then jump into VR. That's what I always do. Headset sleep, you can set the timer for 20 minutes, 20 seconds, 1 minute to 5 or 20 minutes. I have it set to 5 minutes. And then pass-through mode, I have that one enabled if I want to find something on my desk. And you can also set, of course, a hotkey for the pass-through. Now, and here, image performance, image quality, that is set to custom. I have it set to 0.60. That for me, that's fine. If you want to use high or any other settings, you can do that in here. Quad views, I've got those disabled. Because when you use the OpenXR toolkit, quad views will not work. So I'm using the OpenXR toolkit, and I'm not using quad views. I'm not using foveated rendering. So I'll keep that one off. If you want to use foveated rendering with quad views and eye tracking, you have to switch them on, of course. And then there's the center rendering, GPU upscaling, none, sharpness, I have it set to 0.6. You can set that right here. Now you can enable here your smart smoothing and your lock frame rate to half refresh rate. And then you got some color options. Local dimming can be done here. So these are under the advanced settings, as you can see. So local dimming, you can set your local dimming here. FOV, you can change it from normal to narrow. That's the FOV. IPD offsets, you can do all these things here. And well, you know all these from the old PimaxPlay or the previous version of PimaxPlay. And that's basically it. And I gotta say, the image is a little bit clearer in the headset. The tracking is really good. So no problems here. And I hope this helps you. So if you want to get it, make sure that you check the public test channel and you will get the update from Pimax itself. All right, guys, that was it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.